Hello everybody and welcome to this quick video. I have a Land Rover 2016 Discovery Sport and had the issue that the fan would not stop working. It turns out that we had an issue with the fan control module, FCM, which is actually quite easy to replace. So I ordered a new module, FCM 135 from the internet. And basically all you have to do is go in from above, remove the one screw that is holding the module on the back of the fan, remove that screw, and then remove the plugs that are attached to that device, and then you can pull out the whole thing. Once you've done that, you take the new unit. It was $230 something, and basically you just put it back in. Just use the same screw to attach, and you make sure that all of the three connectors are properly connected. The connectors are easily removable. You just squeeze them a little bit. There's a clip, and then you can lift it out and then put it back. Thankfully, you can actually reach this from the front of the car. If you're standing in front of the car, it's on the right hand side a little bit, right behind the fan. And that's it, really. The whole thing took me about 10 minutes, including making this video. And the only tool you need is a screwdriver that is small enough to fit into that space. I'm pointing at that screw right now. So hopefully that will help you solve this problem. Indeed, the fan was running non-stop because this unit was broken and was giving the wrong signal. I've put this back and then started the car and everything works fine. Thanks very much.